Yes, we will do reasoning. Yesterday we started reasoning. Yeah. Can you tell me which question we did yesterday?
Sir, yesterday we did clocks and how much time the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of 48 degrees. Sir, we have not completed the question.
Sorry.
No, sir, 50.
What was the last question, beta? Tell me.
Sir, in how much time the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of 48 degrees.
Okay. Okay, so be ready for the next one. Okay, next question. And can you tell me the question before that? The question before that one. What was the question?
Yes, sir.
Akshat
Sir,
Chandra,
before
stop
that,
playing with your brothers.
Sir, before that we did question 10. Hrithik Roshan left his home at 7:15 a.m. to go to his school. He remembered that when he reached the school, the angle covered by the minute hand was 100. At what time he reached his school?
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Note down the next question. Mute yourself, everyone. Yeah. The question is: in how much time? In how much time will the hour hand of a clock in how much time will the hour hand of a clock in how much time will the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of cover an angle of cover an angle of 174 degrees. 174 degrees. Cover an angle of 174 degrees.
Sir,
Yes.
348 degree.
Sir, 3 hours 48 minutes.
Sir, please repeat the question
In how much
again.
time? In how much time will the hour hand of a clock?
Yes.
In how much time will the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of 174 degrees?
Sir, 3 hours 48 minutes.
Okay, I'm telling the answer now. Done, all of you? This is question number 12. Is it question 12? 12 or 11?
Sir, 12.
Okay, so cover an angle of 174 degrees, the hour hand. So let us assume that the hour hand covers this angle in x minutes. In x minutes. Now we all know that in 1 minute, the hour hand covers an angle of 1/2 degrees. सबको पता है? In 1 minute, the hour hand covers an angle of 1/2 degrees. In x minutes, the angle covered will be x/2 degrees. Okay. In x minutes, it will be x/2. 1/2 multiplied by x, 1/2 multiplied by x, which is equals to x/2. Okay. Now, this angle is already given 174. X/2 is equal to 174. So x is equals to 174 multiplied by 2. You get x equals to 348 minutes. This is the time that the hour hand will take to. This is the time that the hour hand will take to move an angle of 174 degrees. Now listen the options. Suppose I give you these options. Okay, I'm giving you some options. You have to tell me which option is correct. 358 minutes, 338 minutes, 3 hours 48 minutes, 5 hours 48 minutes. Which option you will mark as the correct one? 348 minutes is your answer. 348 तो यहाँ options में ही नहीं है. What is your answer?
Sir, 3 hours 48 minutes.
8 minutes. Sir, D. 5 hours 48 minutes.
Sir, C.
3 hours 38 minutes.
When you convert 348 minutes in hours and minutes, you will get 5 hours 48 minutes. So don't forget to convert in hours and minutes also, because if suppose this is not in the options, so you will have to convert it in hours and minutes, and then you will see whether the correct option is there or not. So the correct option is there. It is D. D is the right answer. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Do you know
Yes,
how
sir.
to convert minutes in hours and minutes? You divide this by 60. Okay. Divide it by 60, and then with the help of the remainder and quotient, you can get your answer. Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Question 13.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down the question. Find the Note down the question. Find the
Find the. Sir, after the.
find the angle between the minute hand find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time on the clock when the time on the clock is 4:40. When the time on the clock is 4:40.
PM AM.
Doesn't matter. 4:40 PM or AM or doesn't matter. When the time on the clock is 4:40.
Sir, we have to multiply the difference with the hour hand or the minute hand.
Beta, sorry, what are you saying?
Sir, we have to multiply the difference between the hour hand or the minute hand.
Yes, very good. You have to find the difference of the angles. First, find both the angles, angle of the hour hand, angle of the minute hand, and then you have to find the difference of the two angles. Something like this you have to do.
Sir, what is the question?
You have to do something like this. Find the angle of the hour hand, find the angle of the minute hand, and then find the difference of the two angles.
Sir? Sir? Sir, please tell the question.
Find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of the clock when the time is 4:40. Find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand.
Sir, the answer is 4 degree.
Sorry?
Sir, the answer is 4 degree.
No, 4 degrees not.
Sir, 40 degree.
Forty degrees.
Sir, one.
Okay,
Sir,
let me
40
tell
degree.
your mics off, all of you.
Sir, 1320 degree.
अरे मर गए नहीं बेटा, no, not correct.
Sir, 40 degrees.
नहीं. Okay, let me tell you, this is something new for you all. This is the first time you are doing this type of question. Have you ever noticed in the clock, whenever the time is 4:40, तो आपने नोट किया होगा that यहाँ पर कहीं 3 होता है, here it is 4, then 5, then here it is 6, then 7, 8, 9. So whenever the time is 4:40, the minute hand is pointing at 8. Minute hand कहाँ point करता है? 8 के ऊपर. And the hour hand points at
12. 4.
Sir, between 4 and 5.
between 4 and 5. It points at between
between 4 and
4 and 5 के बीच में point करता है, not at 4. 4 से थोड़ा आगे and 5 से थोड़ा पहले. Have you ever noticed it?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to find this angle. This angle you all have to find. Okay. Now see the method that we are going to use for this. What is the time? 4:40. Okay. मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँगा? मान लीजिए मैं यहाँ पर I am dividing the question in 2 parts, 2 or 3 parts you can say. This is 12. अभी हम minute hand की बात करते हैं. This is your minute hand. Minute hand की बात कर रहे हैं. So if the minute hand is at 12, first it is at 12 and then it is at 8, then 12 के साथ फिर 8 पे है. So first we will find this whole angle. ये कितना time? If the minute hand is at 12 and then when it comes at 8, what is the time? In how much time it comes at 8? The minute hand.
40 minutes. 40 minutes.
This is 40
minutes.
40 minutes. So we will find this angle. This is, let us call this angle as angle 1. Okay. Then let us come to the hour hand. Then let's come to the hour hand. Now this is your hour hand. Hour hand first पहले मान लो 12 पर point कर रहा है, छोटा सा होता है hour hand. So this is the longer hand, this is the minute hand, this is the shorter hand. जो 4 and 5 के बीच में आता है. When the time is 4:40, the hour hand points between 4 and 5. So this is 20 between 4 and 5. Now we will find this angle also. So in how much time the hour hand comes from 12 to this point? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने टाइम में आता है hour hand? In how much time it will come from 12?
23 minutes.
Not minutes. Hour hand. We are talking about hour hand. In
Oh.
how much time? 12 से लेकर 4 और 5 के बीच में कितने टाइम में आएगा? 4 hours 40 minutes.
4.5 hour.
Not 4.5. 4 hours 40 minutes. Exact बताना है. In how much time it will come? From 12 to 4 और 5 के बीच में 4 hours 40 minutes. We are looking at this. इसको
Yes.
देख के बताया हमने. In how much time it will come here? 4 hours
4
40.
hours 40 minutes.
ये निकाल लेंगे. Okay.
Hmm.
या आवर हैंड का निकाल लिया, मिनट हैंड का ये पूरा निकाल लिया और आवर हैंड का ये निकाल लिया. नाउ आई एम कंबाइनिंग बोथ द फिगर्स. इन दोनों को मैं कंबाइन कर देता हूँ. So this is 12. This is your minute hand. First at 12 and then at 8, and then hour hand, which is smaller one. It is somewhere here with hour hand and with minute hand. अब if I this is angle 2. Okay, this is your angle 2. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. Okay. So if I want to find this angle, the angle between minute hand after minute hand reaches 8 and the hour hand comes between 4 and 5, इन दोनों बीच में जो angle है, I want to find this angle. How will I find this angle? If I subtract angle 2 from angle 1. Angle 1 कितना है? यहाँ से पूरा यहाँ तक. और angle 2 कितना है? यहाँ से यहाँ तक. तो from angle 1, if I subtract angle 2, then ये बीच वाला portion बचेगा. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
You getting my
Yes,
point?
sir.
From angle 1, if I subtract angle 2, then I will get the angle between the two hands. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
मुझे क्या करना है? For the minute hand, I will find the angle first now. 40 minutes में, what is the angle covered by the minute hand? Can you tell me what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 40 minutes? 40 into 6.
240 degrees.
240 degrees. सबको पता है. You all know.
240 degree.
Simple निकाल
Yes.
लीजिए. 240 degrees. Minute hand की बात कर रहे हैं अभी. So 40 into 6, 240 degrees. And the hour hand, 4 hour 40 minutes का मतलब क्या होता है? If you convert in minutes, this is 280 minutes.
सर 30 से इंटू कर देंगे.
कितने?
30 से इंटू.
30 नहीं बेटा.
Sir, now we will multiply.
Yes. We will multiply 280 by 0.5
30.
और 1/2. इसी से भी multiply कर दीजिए. You will get 140 degrees.
20.
Hour hand 4 hour 40 minutes में कितना एंगल कवर करेगा? 4 hour 40 minutes यानी कि 280 minutes. First you convert this in minutes and then you find the angle. 280 multiplied by 0.5, you get 140 degree. So angle 1 कितना आ गया? What is the value of angle 1? Angle 1 is 240. And what is the value of angle 2? Angle 2 is 140 degree. Now angle 3, ये वाला जो angle मुझे finally निकालना है, this angle 3, जो मुझे finally निकालना है angle 3, ये कैसे मिलेगा? Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 minus angle 2. Angle 1 अभी जब हमने बात करते हैं angle 1 में से angle 2 minus कर देंगे, we will get angle 3. So what is angle 1? 240. What is angle 2? 140. What is the value of angle 3? 100 degrees. Have you all understood? कितना angle होगा? 100 degrees angle होगा.
100 degree.
Okay. 100 degree is the angle. You can also try this at home. आप क्या करिएगा? एक वॉल क्लॉक नीचे उतार लीजिएगा, अपने हाथ में पकड़ लीजिए, उसमें टाइम लगा लीजिए 440. सेल निकाल के, टेक आउट द सेल And practically also you can do this. Take out the wall clock, and then you take out the cell from the clock, and then set the time to 440. Time set कर लो उसमें 440, and then use a protector to measure the angle. एक प्रोटेक्टर ले लो हाथ में और उससे एंगल मेजर करो. You will see that the angle will be near 100. 100 के बस थोड़ा सा एक आध डिग्री आगे पीछे हो सकता है, otherwise it will be exactly 100.
सर
Yes.
सर ये ओवरहैंड में सर 440 डिग्री कैसे है सर?
440 डिग्री कहाँ पर है बेटा?
नहीं सर
400
4 आवर 40 मिनट्स, सॉरी सर.
4 आवर 40 मिनट्स में आवर हैंड 12 पर है. The hour hand is
Yes,
at 12.
sir.
पहले मान लो 12 पर
Yes,
है.
sir.
सिर्फ 4 और 5 के बीच में कितनी देर में आवर हैंड बहुत स्लो मूव करता है. 4 आवर्स
Yes,
के बाद
sir.
4 पे आएगा. 4 आवर्स के बाद 4 पर आएगा आवर हैंड. 4 आवर्स के बाद 1 आवर में कितना मूव करता है आवर हैंड? 12 से 1 पे आएगा 1 आवर के बाद.
12. Yes,
12 से
sir.
लेकर के 1 पे आएगा, फिर 2 आवर्स के बाद 2 पे आ जाएगा, 3 आवर्स के बाद 3 पे आ जाएगा.
हाँ सर 4 आवर्स हो गए.
4 आवर्स के बाद 4 पे आएगा. हमें कहाँ पहुंचना है? टोटल टाइम 4 आवर्स 40 मिनट्स है. तो आवर हैंड कितने टाइम तक चला आवर हैंड? 4 आवर्स 40 मिनट्स तक चला.
4 over 40 minutes.
हाँ, so that is why 4 hours 40 minutes. Now you convert
Thank you,
this in
sir.
minutes. 280 minutes. 280 मिनट आ गया. And then 280 मिनट्स में कितना एंगल कवर हुआ? You find the angle 140 degrees. Similarly, मिनट हैंड का भी हमने एंगल निकाल लिया 240. अब ये दोनों के बीच का एंगल 1 माइनस एंगल 2. एंगल 1 ये पूरा था, देखिए पूरा एंगल है, एंड एंगल 2 सिर्फ इतना पार्ट है आवर हैंड वाला. तो माइनस कर देंगे तो दोनों के बीच का एंगल मिलेगा. Got it? Have you all understood the question?
Okay, man. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Can you do the next one? If I give you a similar question,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
time change कर दूंगा. I will only change the time and you find the angle. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So find the angle between the two hands of the clock. Find the angle between the minute hand, hour hand of a clock. Find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is when the time is 6:45. When the time is 6:45.
Okay, sir.
Okay, start doing. When the time is 6:45.
Sir, what is the question? Sir, what is the question next? Sir,
Beta, you have to tell what is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. What is the time between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock? When the time is 6:45.
okay, sir.
Okay, start doing.
Sir, answer is 67.5 degrees. Sir, answer is 67.5 degrees.
Very good, beta. Correct answer. Others, have you found the answer? Angle between hour hand and minute hand at 6:45. What will be the angle?
Sir, doing. Sir, the answer is 67.5.
Correct answer.
So 67.5.
Yes, sir. So 67.5.
Correct.
Yes, sir. My also.
Yeah. So one more time, let me tell you how to do this. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start a new topic in reasoning, coding and decoding. Today we will finish this. This is the last question. 6:45 is the time. So let me quickly do it. 6:45. So first of all, we will find angle 1. Angle 1 is the minute hand. Okay. Angle covered by the minute hand in 45 minutes. कितना angle cover करेगा? Angle 1. You will find angle 1. Minute hand ने कितना angle
270.
cover किया? तो 6:45 पर आपका टाइम क्या होगा? It will be something, the clock will look like something like this. Minute hand will point at 9 and the hour hand will be between 6 and 7. If this is 6 and this is 7, so minute hand will point somewhere between 6 and 7. Okay. This is how the clock will look at 6:45. So first you find the angle covered by the minute hand in 45 minutes. 45 multiplied by 6. This is how you find the angle covered by the minute hand. So you get 270 degrees. Got it? Now the angle 2. Angle 2 depends on the hour hand. Hour hand in 6 hours 45 minutes. Hour hand के लिए आप ये पूरा time लेंगे. 6 hours 45 minutes. So 6 hours 45 minutes. How do you find the angle for hour hand? You multiply by 0.5. First convert this time in minutes. Convert the time in minutes and then you multiply by 0.5. So 6 hours is 360 plus 45. 405 minutes multiplied by 0.5. The angle is 202.5 degree. This is the angle. Now, angle 3, the angle between the two hands, angle 3, angle 1 minus angle 2. Subtract the two angles. 270 degree minus 202.5 degrees. This will give you 67.5 degrees. So this is the answer. Have you all got it? Simple,
Yes,
simple.
sir.
For the minute hand, you see only the minutes. For the minute hand, you see only the minutes and find the angle. For the hour hand, you take the whole time, 6 hours 45 minutes, and then find the angle, and then find the difference between the two. Got it?
Yes, sir.
67.5. Okay.
Yes,
that's
sir.
it.